Legends, welcome back to the channel on what is a drizzly morning here in Lincolnshire. Today I want to show you around this. It is a 1993 Proton 1.5 GL. It's one that came as part of the 6-car collection out of a garage locally, and this is a brief walk around video having a good in-depth-ish look at the car. Now you can already probably see there's a massive hole in this rear wheel arch. The honest answer is it's probably going to end up being scrapped, this car, but let's have a quick look. This is the one that, if you haven't seen the video already, I reversed up the drive and the suspension arm snapped itself to pieces. So I wanted to just document the car as found, joys of Lincolnshire, as found before we sort of wash it, clean it off and have a good look inside. First thing I can see then, massive dint in this bonnet, not a major issue, but actually she's very rusty. We've got a rust bleb coming here on this wheel arch as well. Under here, not too bad, but the suspension is starting to crack this side as well, I won't lie. It's nice and straight, there's not many dints or dents on it. There's one on that back window wing, but actually quite a straight car. It's probably not the best doing this in the rain. You can see that it's starting to blister in places around the windscreen, and this car has been off the road sort of 10 years now. We've got a wiggle in this door, you can see it's all dented in that door, and looking at the bottom here, not too bad, but we then come to this side and you can see that there's a massive hole in this wheel arch, and that's going to cause a problem long term. In fact, I'm going to just take my finger and push, and I suppose if it's bad there, there's a hole here. Yeah, this is scrap. This car's not going to be put back on the road. And you might think, well, hang on a minute, John, that's a big shame. It is, but also we're going to end up being fodder for another one. Take a look around this side then. You can see it's filthy. It needs a good old scrub, and it was supplied by a Mount Sorrel service station in Leicestershire. Boot lid, well, actually that's just a little bleb that's gone a bit rusty. The badges are good. The back bumper is good as well on this one. You've got the original number plate, and then coming along to this side, the usual has happened here. It started to discolour here. This wheel arch starting to go as well, and we've started to get a little bit of blistering there, paint bubble blistering. Let's put my hands underneath this side. I haven't got any holes in the sills yet, but starting to go here, as you can see. More than just surface rust there. Then this front wheel arch here, it's creaking. I feel under here. Oh yeah, I've just put my hand through the sill there as well. Apart from the holes, she's not overly bad. Take a look at the front here. Things that are going to be useful: indicator lenses, grille, front grille, lights, wiper arm linkages, just general bits and pieces. But this car, yeah, it's not going back on the road, I don't think. Looking around it, let's have a look in here then. Oh, we can't have a look in there. Have I locked it? I've locked the car. We'll have to go around this side. I'll start with the driver's side. So the car itself has covered 151,000 miles, so she's had a good old run, and the interior isn't massively too bad. Obviously the centre console will come out, probably leave the dash, to be honest with you. This will come out. These are worth cash. About £100 a piece, those are. Yeah, let's pop the boot, let's pop the bonnet and have a look. I'm not overly impressed. Yeah, we've got some more rot here, look, in this sill, creaking. It has had a lot of money thrown at it in its lifetime, I believe. Yeah, this is not looking good here either, look. And there, it's clearly past its prime. We'll look in the boot, see what's in the boot. Oh, rust is in the boot. Spare wheel. That's going to be the original wheel, actually. Looking at that, it is. It's a GT70. Look, it's the original wheel. I don't know what this is, but the fact that you can see the floor, there's my piggies through the hole, and it's really echoey. I don't know what that pipe's for. Boost pipe. There's not much in here. I'm going to put my hand down here. There's water here. You can see it's leaking somewhere. Yeah, it's certainly going to need a lot of love to put back on the road, and it's really not going to be worth it, I don't think. Let's pop the bonnet, have a look underneath the bonnet, and that will end this video. Under here then, the usual Magma 12 valve engine. It's the injection model. Airbox is looking okay-ish. Battery, of course, and coolant tank. Probably not going to take much off this car, if I'm honest. Things like the wiper linkage, the grille, the lights, the horn push, maybe the steering wheel for the other one. But yeah, not major. What do you reckon, Crystal? Crystal says scrap it. I say scrap it. The lads who picked the car up for me will have it. They'll recycle it. They're also scrap metal merchants, so they will take care of everything that side. It's a shame, I know, and some people are probably going to be screaming at their telly saying, hang on a minute, there's only a few holes in the sills and wheel arches and that sort of thing. But we saw what happened yesterday with the suspension. I haven't had a good look underneath it. I'm not going to put it on a ramp, but I think that's going to probably throw up some more issues. Let me know what you think. I'm a bit disillusioned by this one, as you can probably tell by the way I'm sounding. Yeah, until next time, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, please give it a like, please give it a subscribe. What do you reckon? Is it savable? Is it something you want to take on? Throw £300 my way and you can have it. Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Take care. Goodbye.